Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I just show you a quick version of my lovely brioche man. Yeah, okay, what it will be is I had a little bit of a leftover of my yeast dough. Yeah, and what we do is we just be a little bit creative, right? We roll a little rod. Okay, and then we need a head. Okay, we cut this one. Yeah, we give it a big neck. Look at that. So, and then a little bit more on the, need a little bit more body. So here we go. What we do next, very simple. We need some legs. Yeah, we got our legs, easy. We need some arms. Yeah, so we cut in here. Zack. Zack. Okay, we got some arms already. We're getting there, we're getting there. Now we need some eyes, of course. 1, 2. We need a mouse, a nose. Here we go. Da 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 da. And now, of course, we have a shoe. Yeah. Zack, 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 zack. And then, as we continue, we can play around. So we make sure he has pants on. Yeah, we cut a good deep thing here. Like that, like that, like that. And then we give it a little bit more a pattern. Okay. And here we go. This is our brioche man. We put this one on our baking tray. Yes, we brush it with a little bit egg wash and bake it by 160 degrees for 15 minutes, and let's see what turns out. Okay, our brioche man is ready to go. Yeah, looks good in the oven, but we turn it off anyway. So this is now 15 minutes by 160 degrees. And oh well, there looks like a brioche cat, right? So here we go. That's what you can do when you have a little bit left over of a yeast dough. You can be very creative.